Okay guys, so we're gonna speak a little bit about the Apple Car and Android Auto bundle. So first we're gonna speak about how to install it. The bundle itself goes inside here, so you gotta take out all of this central panel. I did it with my colleagues in VOLVO because even though it's really easy, I'm gonna leave a link in the description showing how to do it. I prefer professionals doing it, so I recommend to you guys that you go there and you won't see anything. It's gonna work really fine. Okay, so I was telling you the only thing that you will have here is this USB that it connects to the Android phone just the first time. Then I think that in the Android case it works also without cable. So basically I'm gonna leave in the description how to install this. I'm not gonna tell you anything more about it. You can do it yourself. It's pretty easy, but I recommend that you leave it in hands of professionals, like I said. So now we're gonna get into business. So once you get in the car, actually the bundle opens itself, okay, which is really cool. I have it connected to my iPhone. So, but now I'm gonna press the exit button, and now we are inside the let me show you a little bit better like this. This is the Apple Car working with all the original buttons, which is really cool. Also, these buttons also work, as you can see, and it scrolls really fast. Like, it works perfect, and that's the thing that I like the most about this kind of bundle, that it looks so nice, and it goes like really, the performance is great in this. You can open Wafe, you press OK, and it goes really fast. Okay, like I said, it works perfect, and this is really important. I'm now recording this with my Samsung S10e, and it was the phone that I was using until I got this bundle, okay? And the reason I'm telling you is because I was an Android user, and it works fine, okay? It works fine, but it doesn't work as good, and the image is not as, the quality of the software is not as good as in Apple, okay? So, 1 second, I'm getting a call. So I was telling you guys, what I did, to be honest with y'all, is just change my phone. This is my phone now, just because I like the car to be perfect, you know, and I preferred how all the menus and bundle reacted to the EOS system. So what I did is basically change the phone. So if you guys want perfection, I'm telling you, you have to go with Apple. If you don't care that it's a bit laggy sometimes, it's fine that you go with the Android, because it also, obviously, it also works. So with that being said, let's talk about sound quality, okay? So we're gonna go here and press daily mix. Wait 1 second, press this. Sound quality is amazing. I mean, it's like original. You maintain the original sound. There's no delays in the sound. There's no loss in sound quality, and I think that that's really good. The bass, the treble, everything works really good, okay? And that's something that also bothered me a lot. So in the past, I had like a lot of screens, like Chinese screens from AliExpress, which actually they're not so cheap. They go around like 350 to 600 euros. I'm gonna leave a couple of pictures of those, and maybe the links in the description of the ones that I owned before. And since the Chinese don't care about doing fake stuff that look like real, that's what I liked about them, to be honest, that they can actually go inside the car, like for example the one that I had in the Audi A3 or in Mercedes Class A, and they look like original. But then once you start using them, you figure out that they have small delays, or that they have not really the quality that you expect, or that you would like, to be honest. So I don't recommend them at all. Okay, there's better brands like Sony, Pioneer, that they can't make the same image of, like, they can't do the same as the original one because they can't do those fake things that they do in China, but the overall performance of those screens is like way better than the Chinese ones. But like I said, they are obviously a little bit more expensive, but I recommend them. But in this case, with this bundle, you don't need to change the screen, which is good. 1 second, sorry about that, guys. Like what I was saying, what I wanted with this car is not to change the original screen. And also, if you long press exit, this is really cool also, you still have your menus, okay, your normal menus, just in case you want to go to radio or even check out the original system, the navigation, you still have it. So I think that that's a cool feature also, that you don't need to you know, you don't need to delete that. You can still keep it. You long press exit again, and we're back in business. So yeah, that's about the function. Like I said, you have all the apps. You can just download them in your phone. Sound quality, I repeat, amazing.
I know you don't like me, you wanna fight me, you don't want no problems at your party, don't invite me. I don't worry about you niggas.
And basically I think that's it. Sorry guys for the quality of the video. I'm not a YouTuber, I'm not a video editor. I didn't have too much time to do this. I just wanted to help you guys, because there's a lot of you that have asked me privately and also in the group. So I hope that this helps. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I will let you know. I was planning on editing this video like to make it better, but since you guys were so anxious to see the function and how all of this thing works, I did it faster, right? So basically the good stuff, to repeat myself, is you have like a quality that looks original. You don't see any cables. Okay, so I was saying the strong points are the sound quality, which is original. That the strong point is also that the EOS system runs really well. The Apple car goes really well. The overall experience of the car, I think it improves once you install this. It looks really new. It's like a 2020 vehicle. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You don't even need cables to connect it. It connects all the time through wireless connection. And the downside, I might say the price maybe goes around 300 euros. 290. And also that the Android version, as I said, it is not as good as the Apple. That's the only two negative points that I see. This is just some examples of, you know, a screen that might fit good for other cars, but you know, it's much expensive than the options that I tried in the past, like the Mercedes one, which, yeah, it brings you a lot of features, but it's just not as good as the original, you know. Or even this one for, I don't remember the other one, but it was like some similar one from AliExpress. You see the prices, they're not so cheap either. I mean, and this is an option that I don't really recommend, to be honest. I recommend this bundle because in my experience it's working really good. So I hope you guys like it, and let me know in the comments if you need any help. I'm just here to maybe help someone that might be interested, that's all. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. Have a good one.